Hello, worship warriors. This is Minister Bobbi and my friend, Pastor Lynn Hayden. And the reason we're visiting with you today is we are going to have a Dancing for Him dance conference in Fort Wayne, Indiana, October 4th and October 5th of this year. And we really wanted to just take a few minutes, talk a little bit about what's going to happen at this conference in Fort Wayne, and offer you a personal invitation to join us. So Pastor Lynn, why don't you tell us a little bit about the conference and some of the things we're going to do.
Okay, Bobbi, thank you. I am so excited about coming to Fort Wayne and being at your church. I cannot wait. We've been doing the conferences, of course, for like 23 years and all over the country. And what the Lord has us to do is lots of worship, lots of ministry, and then we do things like expressive worship and sign to give you movement vocabulary. We study the Word by doing active word study. Then we'll do the billow cloth beauty, so teaching how to do the big billows, flag vocabulary, creative worship, but also prophetic dance, where prophetic dance is a lot of ministry that takes place, and transformations take place. It's a powerful time. And then artistic ministry is just, utilizing the arts to minister the Father's heart to the heart of the people. It's a powerful time. Then on Saturday morning we do the modern dance class. It's like a 2-hour modern dance technique class, and then unity in motion, choreography, tips and techniques, dance composition, all about flags, purposeful pageantry, worship expressions, and then we have a concert, is the participants concert on Saturday night, and that's where people who come from all over, from different cities and different states, will present dances that they will have already done at their churches. So it's a full jam-packed 2 days where we go home changed, we go home different.
Amen. Yeah. Amen. Yes, so we really want to encourage you to go to the website and sign up. It's www.dancingforhim.com, and then click on conferences, and then look for Fort Wayne, and click on there and go ahead and register. There's a lot of hotels in the area, restaurants, all of that. It's a great area. We want you to come. This is going to be a life-changing event. You do not have to be a trained dancer. This is open to all people who have a heart for worship, flaggers, dance team, dance ministers. It's going to be an amazing event, and we just want to take a couple minutes today, tell you about it, and personally invite you. So please go to www.dancingforhim.com and join us. We're going to have a great time. We hope to see you there.
Hope to see you. God bless.